So, ayun na po. Nag-landing na si Mateo. And most of all, I just like to say thank you to not just everyone here, but to sila Miss Cathy, Direct Joyce, for giving me the opportunity to play the role of Mateo. This is my first ever project. Lalo na rin sa mga writers, and to, I guess everyone part of the production, Boss Vic, and to Artist Center. Thank you to Artist Center. And ayun na po, I'm just very thankful to be here today. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, GMA.
Maraming salamat mga kapuso. Ang cast ng pinakabagong abangan natin magsisimula na po sa May 29 ang My Love from the Star. Si Direk Binibining Joyce Bernal wasn't able to make it tonight because of work commitment na po siyang shooting.